Today we are just gonna do a chain conversion on this lowrider S. My boy June is gonna do much of the install, and I'm just here vlogging and documenting. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
I'm gonna be on this side more, so.
Picked up the jack up there. Mind it the odds because this one took a poop. Sure. Lowrider S is gonna get a chain dryer. So what do we got here today?
So we got a Speed King chain conversion kit from Speed King. These items right here. And then we got the Dark Horse Crankworks Manowar compensator. Then we got the Jim's Mega Nut.
Oh yeah, like that.
For the front sprocket.
It isn't like a Mega Nut.
So we're gonna loosen up the clutch cable so we can loosen up the clutch basket. Alright, it's loose.
We're gonna get a belt going. Not a belt, chain driven going.
Zip tie the tensioner so it doesn't break into pieces. Now we're just gonna loosen it up. There it is, it's out.
What? All three of them?
You need one of these snap ring pliers to get this snap
Oh,
ring
I
out.
made it! Yeah! It went by the gate, that way. By the house, that way.
Alright, and that's out. Pull this little guy out. And pull the rod out.
I got all the way over there! I got all the way over there! Oh, see mommy's hands? Don't worry, that was good.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is a reverse thread. So I went righty, loosey. This one's back to lefty, loosey on this side. Well, this one I'm gonna replace. I don't really need this anymore. So I already started this morning, loosened the starter bolts back here. So this thing's ready to come off. All I gotta do is remove the 5 bolts that's holding the inner primary cover, and then this thing should just come right off. These bolts, you don't reuse them. These are trash. So in the kit, you're gonna buy the primary case gasket, and it comes with the bolts already. So this thing's ready to come right off. Locking bolts out. Get these guys out. I'm not gonna need this anymore either. This is garbage. And then, oops, I think I'm missing something. Like reverse thread. This is just a guide for the socket so it doesn't spin around. Alright, here's the fun part. We're gonna cut it.
Cut the old belt out. It's much easier than taking everything else and try to save the belt. But since we're going chain,
don't need this no more either.
And I don't think we're gonna put the belt back anytime soon. Here doing a chain track conversion on the Lowrider S. Parts here. You guys want to see the video? Jack it up a little bit. I'll lower it just.
Natalie, move.
What's up, Natalie?
Natalie, you need to be inside.
I'm gonna be here.
Back it up more. More. Go in the house.
I don't know what to
Go in the house.
answer.
Ask mommy. Ask mommy.
My mom don't know how to play.
Show it up.
What's your name?
Tony! I messed up. Cut that out. Cut. I'm on TikTok too much, but I forgot how the line went. Sign?
No, he fell.
He fell.
He fell all the way. Wow. He help me.
Hey, is this the longest one that you ever did?
I think so. But I thought it was gonna be cut.
Uncle Rose? Uncle Rose, you know
I don't want any videos for like longer than 20 minutes because that takes forever to
Uncle
edit.
Rose,
Then uploading.
we don't want the BGs to jump on their feet. Don't mind them, we can jump on their feet.
Did you?
Yeah, what? Like this, see? Look. See? You're jumping.
That's Natalie.
Bubba's in the living room.
I know, you see.
singing. You wanna go sing with him?
And if someone guesses the correct combination, then we'll open it in the next vlog. Wait, hold on. It was mentioned in one of our vlogs, but I'm a little confused because I measured for like a little picture frame, not a giant head. Let's see what this is gonna look like.
So this is the stock compensator. It's actually direct replacement made by Dark Horse Crankworks. You can hit them up on this website or give them an email, darkhorsecrankworks.com. But yeah, it's definitely direct replacement. You just remove all these spacers and useless moving parts, and then we'll get to the video. I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, this is a stock one.
Oh, box. Daddy also sold box.
Okay. I'm just test fitting stuff, Ralph. Let me see. No washer, nothing, just direct fit, and then the outer washer for the oil to lube up the insides of it. But there you go, Man of War, Dark Horse Crankworks on the M8 Softail.
We are pretty much done with today's install. Let us know down in the comments below what you guys want us to do next to these bikes. Got the Lowrider S, the Breakout here. Got my Sportster at home. Thinking about doing a chain conversion as well. But we will see. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.
Can I get a hiya?